Hey, it's Jason with Dad's Eye Cook. Today we're gonna go in here to Woodlands. We're gonna go and chat with our fishmonger guy, Ron, and he's gonna show us some killer ways to work this red snapper. We're gonna learn how to fillet the bad boy up so we can cook it at home. You've already gutted them. Yep. So what's the first step we do then? So, what do we do?
Get their pectoral fin, and then here there's a gill plate. It's kind of a hard bony area.
Yeah. Okay.
That's basically where you want to start putting your knife in, and you kind of go cut an angle towards the head. And then kind of exit past this pectoral fin.
Okay.
So you can get behind the bone. So you're going to reach the spine.
Okay.
The spine's where the brakes go on. You don't want to keep cutting past that.
Okay.
That just kind of lets you know it's a guide. You can see it.
Yeah.
You can see which direction your knife's going. But you just want to go turn 90 degrees. And then sharp knife helps. You're not going to do this with a dull knife.
Sharp knife, yeah.
You kind of pulse through the ribs a little bit. And then continue down.
And then boom.
So then we can continue that on the other side. Again, the pectoral go behind the gill plate. And then you kind of turn
the knife into it. Slice right through, and then boom,
and
you got it.
So now the other way you can do this, it's not as scary.
Okay. Because
you're not going through, a lot of people always think you're going to go into their hand.
Yeah, right.
So, same thing behind the gill plate. And you just take the tip of your knife and run it down the backbone. Like that. And then you can open it up, and you'll see the bones there. So you just run your knife along the bones. So,
and just keep going.
You keep going. And you'll get to the spine here, you just kind of go over that, come through, and release it.
Okay.
And then if you want, you can just tick through the ribs, cut through them, and then release it off any of the membrane that's holding it.
And then there you have it.
There's the other side, so you're right to the bone.
Okay.
But yeah, other than that,
I think the other way sounds easier. Do we skin them?
Yeah, it's a good thing to skin them.
All right, let's skin them.
So just to finish this whole deal off,
okay.
You go underneath the ribs, and get the rib bones off.
Yeah.
And then usually cut the bellies off.
Okay.
Take the ribs off, and then you just skin them. So you just kind of start here, leave yourself kind of like a holding tab.
I see. Yeah.
Turn on the skin.
Right, and just go straight.
Pull and kind of zigzag back and forth, and then that'll leave you
a nice
clean fillet.
Look at that.